guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna show you the Korean nighttime skincare routine. I will be showing you the easy step-by-step procedure for beginners. I will highly recommend everyone to follow the nighttime skincare routine. It is really important to take care of your skin if you are at your 30s, as you need to prevent your skin from aging, sagging, dryness and wrinkles. So the steps which I will be showing you is the simple nighttime skincare routine for beginners. I'm so excited to share my night care routine with all of you guys. So let's get started. So the first step of Korean nighttime skincare routine is cleansing. Cleansing helps you to remove your makeup properly. Here I am using the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Facial Foaming Cleanser. Alternatively, I also use Cetaphil as it's very gentle face wash without any chemicals, so I prefer using Cetaphil. Now it's time to use a face wash. Here I am using the Face Shop Rice Water range as it suits my skin and it's very gentle and not harsh to my skin, and it doesn't make my skin dry. After using this, I feel my skin very soft. Massage your face very well, then just rinse your face with water. Pat dry your face always, never rub your face because it will damage your skin cells. If you have your makeup on, then the best way is to take off your makeup is to use a cleansing oil. So the step 2 is toner. Here I am using Face Shop the Therapy Range European Blending Formula. It's a hydrating toner and it's perfect for my skin type. Take a little amount of toner in your hand and just pat it on. You can repeat it for almost 4 to 5 times if you want. That's how Korean do, and it will give an amazing results to your skin. I am doing it for 2 times as it's for beginners, so you can start first 1 or 2 times depending upon how much time you can invest. First of all, it's very important to know your skin type, whether it is normal, dry, oily, sensitive and combination. Then choose your products depending upon your skin type. Now it's time to use a serum. Take a few drops of serum, just pat it up between your fingers and just pat it in. Don't rub. Guys, it's a Korean technique of skincare. Just try to follow and you will see a great difference in your skin. If you observe Korean women, they look so young even at the age of 40, 50. So that's how they follow the technique and invest their time in skin care to achieve a flawless skin. Guys, always remember to take off your makeup with the help of oil cleanser, which is easily available in the stores, as it helps you to remove any trace of makeup you have on your skin, which is really very important. Nighttime skincare routine is really very important as it helps your skin to repair at night and you will get a fresh glowy skin in the morning. Don't forget to apply in the neck as well. So the next step is to apply the eye cream. I'm using the Face Shop Ultimate Rejuvenating Eye Cream. So take a little amount of eye cream and use your ring finger to apply the eye cream under your eye area gently. Don't press too hard as eye is the most sensitive part of your skin. Gently pat it to your skin until it gets properly absorbed to your skin. Also follow the healthy lifestyle, which is really important to achieve a natural and healthy glow to your skin, and drink lots of water to keep your skin hydrated. So the next step is to apply the night cream. Here I am using the Face Shop Ultimate Rejuvenating Cream range. Just take a little amount of cream and always gently massage the night cream into your skin using fingertips with outward circular motion. Night creams is to repair, hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. It also helps fight aging free radicals which are responsible for skin damage, thereby restoring your skin's natural glow. Now you can see the difference in my skin. My skin looks moisturized, hydrated and glowing. I use night creams 3 days in a week, and alternate days I use normal moisturizer and some days I just use sleeping mask. So let's just finish the night care regime by applying the sleeping lip mask. So I just take a little bit of lip mask on my finger and apply it on my lips. So yeah, I can feel my skin looks hydrated and moisturized. Each step has its own job in helping your skin truly feel younger, healthier and glowing from the inside out. That's all guys, I hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box down below. Also let me know what other video you want me to make for you. You can also follow me on my social media. I will also keep the link in my description box. And most important, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share with your families and friends as well. Also press the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.